What's going on, everybody? I just hit 100 followers on Twitch last night, so I'm doing this special thing where I show a little about what I do on YouTube on stream, and I'm also going to show what I do on Twitch in this vlog. Alright, so first things first, you're looking at my Twitch audience right now. That is the Logitech C920E. My Twitch audience is looking at my DSLR. Alright, and here is my setup. It's a little messy. So there's the camera. There's it's a Spectre 24-inch curved monitor. Then I have my Roku TV here. That's set up for when I do my streams with Xbox. Somebody just put Shrek in the chat. Oh, that's Mishka. Nice. This is where I monitor the stream on my MacBook. Right next to that is the Stream Deck. Alright, so now you can see everything that like if I wanted to start some music, I would hit the play button here. And you guys probably can't hear it, but I just put the headphones around the microphone. Alright, so this is my Yamaha MG12XU mixing console. It's a USB one that I got specifically for streaming on Twitch. Here's my Red Dragon keyboard. Came with this mouse here. Very cool lights on it. Alright, so right here we have the processor. I always forget to point. That's the processor. It's got a fan on top of it. That's just the stock cooler. I have that AMD Ryzen 5 2600. If you look to the right of that, those two things coming out, those are RAM. There's two 8GB ones, so for a total of 16. And you see all these wires coming from the back, that's coming from the power supply. For the GPU, I have a ZOTAC Gaming GeForce GTX 1660. What else do we have? Oh, here is the outside of the case, so you could actually see through it, but it would have been like really reflective. I figured it was easier to just take it off. You can see these are all the ports that go out the back. So like HDMI. The HDMI doesn't work on the motherboard. Shut up, Homer. I have a Homer Simpson clock that goes off, and it goes off like every hour and says like little Homer Simpson things. I don't know if you can hear it. Like I said, the HDMI on the motherboard doesn't work, but I think that's by design because I have the graphics card taking care of that. If you look at the front, there's 3 lights, neon lights, and there's also 3 fans that push all the air towards the back of the tower. The tower is a Raidmax neon, I believe. One of the things I'm not going to show you, just because it would be a pain in the ass to access it, there's the SSD. It's in the bottom portion of the tower down here. So the SSD and the hard drive are both down there. The SSD is a Kingston 240GB SSD, and the hard drive is a Western Digital 6TB hard drive. Never gonna run out of space on this thing. One thing I forgot to show you guys is the lights that I'm using. I did show you these lights in a previous vlog. By the way, it's been forever since I vlogged, right? But yeah, I'm gonna show you the lights anyway, just to show you the configuration I have them in, and it's gonna be lit. Here's one of the lights. I have it facing upward, and that's because I had it facing towards me at one point. I felt like it washed me out too much, so I got the idea to kind of just light the room a little better. I thought it might just light the room better if I pointed it up at the ceiling, so that's what I did. One thing I want to talk about is why I built that computer. Actually, my brother helped me build it. No, let's rephrase that. My brother built the computer and I helped him. Yeah, he's really good with all that hardware stuff. I'm not that great at it. I'm better at like editing and stuff like that. So I was streaming for a long time with my MacBook Pro, and that's really not a good streaming computer at all. It doesn't have a graphics card. Building this computer, I'm better equipped to do the stream that I was normally doing, which is like a, you know, kind of share and promote your music type thing, you know. But I also, like watching other streamers, I really wanted to start getting into like video game streaming and all different types of streams. Building this computer was a huge step towards being able to do that. So yeah, now I stream video games as well. I think those are more fun to do for like hours at a time. When I do like really long streams, I get bored with like the one thing that I'm doing, and I'll do like 4 different things per stream, you know? Like last night I started out doing Stream Racer, then I did Jackbox, then I did a music stream, and then I did Twitch Sings, which is like a karaoke thing, which is going away, unfortunately. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. This is my Twitch setup. I'll see you guys at some point. I'm gonna try to start uploading some Twitch stuff onto YouTube. I also recently found out that I was editing stuff wrong. I was exporting in ProRes, which creates like 50 gigabyte files, and I was like, why is this video so giant? It's because I was exporting it wrong, so. But yeah, I'm gonna start probably making more YouTube videos just because I realized that I can actually export them in a timely manner, because it used to take hours and hours to export them, and then uploading it would take days. But yeah, that's just a glimpse into what my life's been like lately. I made affiliate on Twitch, so that was pretty cool and wild, and I totally didn't expect it. And thank you to everyone who's followed me. I'm so glad I got to 100 followers. Next is YouTube, getting to 1,000 subscribers. It's a long road, but maybe I can do it. I did it on Twitch, and I can't believe I did. Well, not 1,000, but you know what I'm saying. If you like this video, be sure to share it with your friends, like and subscribe, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Boing.